Volvo Trucks has launched the all-new Volvo VNL in North America to set new industry standards in heavy-duty trucks. Optimized aerodynamics and new technologies have improved fuel efficiency by up to 10%. This all-new truck features next-generation enhancements to improve customer value, driver productivity, safety, and environmental performance. The all-new Volvo VNL was designed to change everything. But change doesn't just happen with an updated truck. The introduction of this product is the beginning of a new era for Volvo Trucks, our customers and their drivers. A quantum leap forward, said Peter Verhoeven, president of Volvo Trucks North America. When we launched the first-generation Volvo VN in 1996, its unconventional aerodynamic body design set a new standard for the North American trucking industry. With the introduction of the all-new Volvo VNL, we are pleased to reintroduce innovations that will shape the future of the transportation industry for years to come. The new Volvo VNL is based on an entirely new platform for all future technologies, including battery packs, fuel cells, and internal combustion engines powered by renewable fuels, including hydrogen. The first 24-volt electric infrastructure in the North American truck industry and the active safety features introduced in this new generation of Volvo trucks will set the standard for the future commercialization of fully autonomous trucks. Aerodynamic drag has a major impact on a truck's fuel efficiency. The streamlined and more angular cab of the new Volvo VNL, with redesigned windshield, is a key factor in improving fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Additional aerodynamic improvements have been achieved by integrating a curved and bonded windshield, narrower gaps around areas with turbulent air, and a narrower trailer gap. The new Volvo VNL is powered by the latest generation D13 engine, which delivers improved fuel economy, performance, and durability. The D13 engine is available in 4 power options, from 405 to 500 horsepower, and 3 torque options, from 2,260 to 2,640 Newton-meters. The new truck offers many new active safety systems, including Volvo Active Driver Assist Plus with Pilot Assist, which provides active lane centering. This system features Volvo's dynamic steering, which improves maneuvering at all speeds, including more controlled reversing, and enhances stability at all road speeds. Best-in-class passive safety systems offered in the new Volvo VNL include a glued and wrapped windshield that improves visibility for drivers, enhances safety, and reduces wind noise in the cab. The cab of the new Volvo VNL is designed to meet Volvo Trucks' leading crash test standards and will be available with the industry's first driver and passenger side airbag in North America. Sales of the new Volvo VNL will begin in the coming months from production at Volvo Trucks' new River Valley plant in Dublin, Virginia.